This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Genesis E-315. Right off the bat, the Weber is pricier, like almost 3 times the cost of the Nexgrill.
Yeah, that's a big difference. But what are you getting for that extra money, besides the name?
Well, the Weber has a larger cooking area, though the specs don't say exactly how big. The Nexgrill has 401 square inches, which is decent for smaller gatherings. The Weber also boasts an extra-large sear zone, which sounds pretty appealing if you're serious about your steaks. And it has 3 burners, while the Nexgrill only has 2.
So more power and more space on the Weber. What about the heat output?
The Nexgrill puts out 28,000 BTUs. The Weber doesn't list the BTU, which is odd. However, it does have pure blue burners.
Okay, so there's a pure burner thing, and what about materials? Does that justify the price?
The Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning. The Weber also has porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
So, similar there. What about size and weight? I have limited patio space.
The Nexgrill is smaller and lighter at around 70 pounds. Dimensions are 22.44 dx42.52 wx46.46h. The Weber is a beast at 176 pounds and 36.1 x 30.3x 25.98 inches. The Nexgrill also has foldable side tables, which is great for saving space.
Portability is nice. What about features? Anything stand out?
The Weber is Weber crafted compatible for using different grillware and has a grease management system. The Nexgrill has an electric ignition, which is convenient, and accessory hooks for your grilling tools.
Okay, so the Weber seems like a more premium, higher capacity grill with some fancy features. But the Nexgrill is lighter, more compact, and a lot cheaper.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and budget. If you're grilling for a big family often and want all the bells and whistles, the Weber might be worth the investment. But if you just need a reliable grill for smaller cookouts, the Nexgrill seems like a pretty good deal.
I think if cooking for 1 or 2 people, the Nexgrill is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.